Yo, what's up guys, my name is Jason. Hope you're having a good day, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a chroma warp shake effect in After Effects. Starting off, I'm going to go right here and create our new adjustment layer and have it above our clip. Then for our first effect I'm going to add is S_distort chroma. We're going to go over here to our blur lens right here, and we're going to put on 200, and it's going to start starting our clip. I'm going to create our first keyframe. Then I'm going to go over here to the middle and put it at 0. And it's going to start giving us a nice and distorted effect right here. Once you already add all your keyframes right here, you just want to highlight them and then F9 to ease them. I'm going to close that out. And then for the next effect I'm going to add is S_shake, and it's going to give us a nice shake effect right here. I'm going to go over here to motion blur and enable it. I'm going to go over here to the beginning and we're going to enable Z-dist and amplitude. I'm going to open up our timeline. I'm going to go over here to Z-dist and change it from 1 to 0.580. 58. And it's basically what this is going to do is start zooming in our clip right here. Then I'm going to go about to 3 frames forward, or 0.3f. Then we're going to change it to 1. Then we're going to go back to the beginning once again, and we're going to change the amplitude keyframes. We're going to put it on our starting keyframe. Instead of 1, we're going to have it at 5.65. It's going to give you a much harder shake. Then I'm going to go back to the same keyframe right here, and we're going to put it at 1. Then I'm going to go to the middle of our clip, which should be the 8th frame, and we're going to put our amplitude around to 0.3. Then we're going to highlight all of our keyframes right here. What if I missed some? Highlight all of them, then keyframe them, not keyframe them, ease them actually. Make sure our warp X and warp Y are in reflect. So once after that, I'm going to close out S_shake, and then I'm going to go right here. Then I'm going to add glow. Just drag it in right there. And I'm going to put our radius at 170. And if you want a much harsher glow effect, you can also bring down your threshold a bit right there and increase your radius. I'm going to close this out, close our timeline, save our project so we don't lose any of our progress. And apart from that, guys, that is how you create a chroma warp shake effect in After Effects. If you did like this video or you found it interesting, I recommend looking at my channel, checking out other videos. I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. And apart from that, guys, keep on staying creative and keep on working hard, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.